Cheaper is the most common route people take when buying certain things in life, and what they're doing is a complete gamble in terms of quality and performance. But the question is cheaper really better? What is up everyone and welcome to the Techscapades. Today we're showcasing you the Lenovo Tab 7 Essential, a student-oriented choice for a tablet. So, let's get started. Out of the box, it's pretty basic. You get the tablet itself, some documentation, and the power adapter. It doesn't come with anything else because, as the name suggests, this package only comes with the bare essentials. Here's a fun fact, this product review was actually written using the tablet itself. Well, 3/4 of it anyways. My laptop charger failed completely while I was writing this review, so the tablet was a very handy thing to have. Build quality wise, it's fairly decent but lacks a bit in the weight. The plastic is actually quite slippery, so if you do plan on getting this tablet, I recommend that you get a protective sleeve or a tablet cover. Focusing on the tablet itself, it has a 7-inch display, which is a common size for tablets, but only has a resolution of 1024 by 600 with a density of around 170 pixels per inch. Resolution might not be the very best, but at least the screen is an IPS panel, so the colors won't get washed when you have an awkward viewing angle. Delving forward, it has a MediaTek MT8167D, which is powered by a quad-core Cortex-A53 clocked at 1.3 GHz, and a PowerVR GE8300 for the GPU. It also comes with Android 7 out of the box. And this is the part where things slightly go downhill. It has an 8GB internal storage, which some of you might say is good enough, but do take note that the system itself takes almost 5 gigs of the storage space. But thankfully Lenovo has given us micro SD card support, and Android 7 can configure this card as internal storage. Great! Also note that this tablet only comes with 1 gig of RAM. For a world where modern technology already struggles with 2 gigs of RAM, this is a sure downside. It's in these features where you can really feel the cost-cutting measures Lenovo had to do. Camera isn't really that great either, with both front and rear only having a 2-megapixel camera. But where the sun shines at this tablet is the battery life. Sure, it may have a non-removable 3500 mAh battery, but it sure lasts a long time, around 8 to 10 hours with normal usage in my experience. Other than that, it has the usual stuff: Bluetooth 4.0, GPS, USB 2.0, OTG support, and Wi-Fi 802.11 AGNN. Now let's get to the real stuff. Well, honestly speaking, multitasking isn't great in this tablet as it stutters constantly. YouTube playback is good enough but does stutter a bit when you try to set it on full screen or even rotate the orientation. Facebook is also noticeably laggy, and opening apps take between 1 to 3 seconds. But personally, it doesn't really matter. Now why? Because as the title suggests, this is a great choice for students. It's the main reason why I purchased this tablet in the first place. It's very handy to have as a notebook replacement, believe it or not. It's great as an ebook reader, especially if your school is mostly cloud-based, and that's it. Because if I plan on watching YouTube videos, I could do it on my computer or laptop. If I plan on browsing Facebook or talking to my friends, well, I have my phone with me, so that a small screen could burn my eyes instead of a large 7-inch screen. The thing that I'm trying to point out here is that this tablet isn't really aimed to replace your computer, your phone, or your laptop, and it never really was aimed to do so. Instead of reading your modules on a large monitor with an awkward back or reading it on a small screen, with this, you can read it while lying on your bed and still be able to read the text better. And that's why I think this is a student-oriented tablet. And to complete the student-oriented set, this tablet only costs 3,000 pesos. Well, 2,999 to be exact. It's good for what it aims to be, a basic tablet that only offers the bare essentials. It doesn't want to be complicated, it just wants to be the most basic offering in the market. And to my knowledge, no big tech company has this kind of offering in the current market. So basically, what Lenovo has done here is stepped into uncharted territory, where the big players are local companies like Cherry Mobile, MyPhone, and Gioni. And I have to say, it's a very, very bold move. So all in all, do I recommend this tablet? Now, if what you're trying to do is to play Rules of Survival in this tablet, then you're out of luck. But if you're a student and all you want is an ebook reader and a personal assistant that's a bit bigger than your smartphone, then yes, I do recommend this one exceptionally well. That's it for this video, guys. If you liked the video, go ahead and press that like button. If you have any opinions, go ahead and comment them down in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook page for more updates and behind the scenes. This has been the Techscapades. Thanks for watching and we'll see you then.